Finding the courage to change. When in doubt, don't. When I'm feeling a negative emotion, I have a habit of making quick and unfortunate decisions. I tend to overreact in an effort to stop the negative situation or to soothe myself. Knee-jerk reacting and overreacting often provides some immediate relief, but this behavior usually creates more and bigger problems. This creates a cycle of negative emotion leading to bigger problems, leading to more negative emotions. How do I stop this cycle? I'm often reacting before I realize it. I don't know what the right action is, but my reacting habit has me taking action anyway. Sometimes I even deliberately take the wrong action. Then I learned this idea: when in doubt, don't. Waiting was a skill that I didn't know. In the beginning, waiting felt like this: being late for work, driving like crazy, and coming to a red light. I stop, but it's a long light. I'm sitting there seething with frustration, resentment, and worry. I'm waiting, but I'm hating it. With practice, waiting has become much easier. I've discovered that there's a blessing hidden in the wait. I can relax and allow myself to enjoy the pause. It's an opportunity to reconnect with my inner self and my higher power. I breathe deeply and allow energy to flow to me and through me. When my light turns green, I'm refreshed and ready to go.